Meaning of exercise book.
Exercise book.
Exercise book.
Exercise book.
Exercise book. An exercise book is a type of notebook or pad used primarily for schoolwork or practicing writing. It typically contains ruled or lined paper and is often bound with a stapled or sewn spine. Exercise books are commonly used in primary and secondary schools, as well as by individuals for personal study or note-taking. The use of exercise books promotes organization and neatness, and they are often required for completing homework assignments. They provide a portable and convenient way to record information and ideas, making them a staple in education and self-improvement.